says there's a tsunami of succession coming to the church, and particularly the Black church. There is a significant graying of the church, and we've got to be committed, I believe, to acknowledging that, right? Those days of our pastors having to stay in the pulpit because they were not financially prepared, because they did not raise up other leaders, et cetera, et cetera. That's got to be a day that we just got to put those days behind us. I think secondly, we really need our pastors from a leadership standpoint to be emotionally healthy, and also to be emotionally equipped to handle space for different kinds of leaders, right? That whole idea of keeping people down or not allowing people in their various gifts to thrive is no longer going to work. I think if God is sending 10s to your church, as a pastor, you got to become a 10 so you can make space for those 10s to stay as well, and to be able to thrive with all the gifts. Within that context, historically, the church, we've made space for the people that are on the platform, the people with the microphone, the people that have the pulpit gifts. But I think now we've seen that every gift is important. And from a leadership standpoint, we've got to make space for every gift to thrive in the body. 5 years ago, Nona, the pastor would have probably not even known the name of the camera guy and the people working in the sound tech booth or whatever. But now I promise you, every pastor in America knows the name of their camera people, their sound people, their graphics people, et cetera, because we got to make space in the body for every single gift, including the gifts of administration and so many other things.